going on, everyone? Looks like lithium took off this morning. Gold and silver's backing up into support after a little pop. It's a daily chart. So we had a little breakout and then a little setback. Looks like it's been coming back in from that little falling star forming on the hourly chart. So back to a tether. Got plenty of support on the longer term charts though. JNUG on the open, coming all the way back at support here. Lithium's taken off. S&P open down. Watch those head and shoulders tops. Dow opens up. We have continuation on SDPI. Nice monthly chart. Pretty slow. It's getting cold in the mornings. JNUG on the tether again. Not much going on. JNUG for a 2-bar reversal on the minute chart there. Comes JNUG for a bottom. Follow trend, you're gonna double bottom now. Yes, EKSO, breaking previous highs. Which smackdown? Gold and silver? Which one are you talking about? Gold and silver. Oh, it's just a retrace on the daily. It's trying to change trend on there. Over the 34, back into the 34, and pop, come back in. It's finding support, gaining support. Looks good. That's a daily. Silver, same thing. As long as it holds support, I mean, we're good. It's very healthy to do something like that. Pop across, come back in, gather your legs and try again. Just watch for that break. It's just not ready yet, that's all. Yeah, I know. Damn, GDAX just getting sloshed. That's for the previous low breaks now. It looks healthy for a minute and then all of a sudden gap down and nothing. I got a triple bottom. Make sure you hold support. I don't see anything on oil, medical, or miners. There's gonna be something else funny, fishy out there. This one looks like it's going to come back in. ERELF. I'm seriously thinking about buying some Hive on the mining side. Genesis Mining. I'm thinking about getting some contracts going. There's a previous low break on stupid JNUG. Good job, JNUG. Way to go. SVBL. Not enough volume to care, but it's going to come across that previous break. Pink sheet. Oh, there ain't nothing going on in this thing. Let's change it up. What the freak? Come on. I don't have a... Oh, it's already open. Well, let me open it twice. EKSO is the only one breaking previous highs. ARAY looks like it gapped up, closing in. Pick it up at support, previous highs. Just waiting for support to take, I guess. Coming back through resistance on JNUG. Little whipsaw 2-bar reversal now. See what it can do. Waiting for silver and gold to get through this little support resistance down here. Daily's at support. And now we're at resistance at the 1 minute. Yeah. Looking for a pop across. Daily still doesn't look good. Oh, the games we play. Pretty nice break. See if I can't do one more here. That's oil. What's going on, Jasper? Got higher lows coming back in through resistance on JNUG. Broke support, coming back through resistance on the open. Bitcoin took off again. Hope you're holding on to those big ones. Making a new high overnight. Breaking previous. Looks like 8,000 was the measured move on a Bitcoin chart. So we're moving into the next. I think the measured moves are like 1,100 bucks. So it's creeping to 10,000. So JNUG's getting rejected again. Back below support. What a week. waste of time on JNUG after the reverse split. Where did my charts go? S&P gained its losses. S&P has increased its upward momentum here. A little topsy-turvy. S&P up, Dow is down. So is the NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ just fell off that roof there. Which ones you got? Because I got a few of them down here. I got GBTC, PRELF, BLKCF. You got more, I guess. I don't know how many more I want to cover. You got any mining contracts out there that on cryptos there, Jasper? I'm thinking about buying some for Zcash. Litecoin's open too. Check this out. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Zcash, Dash, Litecoin, they're all available now. They were very limited the other day. 300% within 50 days. I don't know what this all means because I got to try it out first. I was thinking the Zcash within 15 days. Starting from as low as 50 bucks. I was thinking about just throwing some stuff in there. I think I got enough EOS. If I get anything on my cryptos, I'll throw it into EOS. I don't know. I like this passive income situation. I'm always looking for some passive income. I think mining is where it's at. It's still new. All these cryptos are going to go crazy with smart contracts. It's right up there. Precious metals prices. Oh, just right click on it and open it up. YouTube's being anal. It won't let me post links as an administrator. It's retarded. Thanks, YouTube. It's for your own protection. JNUG blows. Stupid thing. Had a chance to pick up the pace here and it fell off the map. Below 15 now. Slouching. There goes sales coming in. Stupid. It's the full link. Just click on it there, Jasper. I want to get on this mining side. Could be a good way to get into the blockchain market. So if you go click on that thing under pricing, I'm going to go to Zcash. You do a deposit. Oh, can't log in. Anyways, once you log in, there's a little estimator. Here, let me find my login. I'm logged in somewhere. A little estimator. Maybe someone can help me figure this out, what it means, because I don't know what it means. I don't have enough time. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. So obviously I have nothing in here, but under pricing, Litecoin, and do this little calculate. When I calculate and put 1,500 bucks, says my total return is 1950, which is good within 15 days if that's true. That's huge. I mean, it's not going to stay at these terms, but maybe if I put 5 grand in, I mean, $1,500 in 15 days, that's 3 grand a month, and then you keep pressing it. I mean, is that true? Is anybody watching this? Is this crazy to think that you get 130% within 15 days? That's what it says. I know it can't stay that way. Maybe be a discounted price right now. Right? Litecoin, this is for you, Jasper. 300% within 50 days. I don't know. I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to throw 50 bucks in it today. See what happens. 130% on 50 bucks ain't a lot. But if you just like at the craps table, and you go to the craps table to win, you got to keep pressing your bets. All those one-time bets, they don't work. Can't win. Got to keep pressing. So 50 bucks turns into, 65 bucks. 65 bucks turns into, 100 bucks, whatever it is. I don't know. I think it's my next venture. It's going into this mining sector. I'm not going to go into those pump and dumps, Bitcoin Cash, or there's a lot of different miners out there, I guess. I'm just going to stick to the one that is credible. What? I don't get it then. I'll have to look into it. Yeah, you have to. There's a scale. I guess once you buy it, you can scale it. You can get your payout early or later, or anyway, so I'll try it. I'm going to put it back in, keep pressing my bets, get enough cash flow where it makes sense. I don't know. That's true. I don't know. It just seems like a great idea for cash flow, long-term investment. I think some of them are 2-year contracts. Better than a CD. So my grandma used to buy CDs all the time. We used to buy CDs for us kids. What a waste of time. I remember grandma bought me a $100 CD. I think 15 years later, it was like $300. Thought I was rich. I'm rich. I don't know. I'm always looking for cash flow. If I had enough cash to buy another house, I would. That'd be good cash flow. I like that part. I used to do that when the real estate was kicking. APTO looks like a little kicker here. Watch for the previous high breaks. It's on its highs. Cherry picking. Prodigy. RLWK. Little pop across there. Watch for the retrace. Pick it up, try again. I got a volume breakout on it. Ain't nothing going on here. One day sucks. VOC. Watch for the previous high breaks. It's 420. Once JNUG falls apart, it takes a while for it to recover. Let's see what it can do here. Is it going to be a bearish retrace, or is it going to pick up its legs and gain momentum across the 34? Took a deuce right over the 15. A dump. A little topsy-turvy today. S&P is down, opening down. And that weekly daily chart, head and shoulders top pattern is looking pretty dangerous up there. And then the Dow, what does it do? It returns. It's got the same pattern on the daily. It's returning back into resistance. So I don't know what's going on. We need a confirmation on that head and shoulders top. And then it's watch out below. NASDAQ still has that double top. It's hanging on the 13 now. Crude opened up. That's nice. Natural gas coming back into support. Watch for a double back on that one. Looks like the gap's down in 3 o'clock. JNOG on its lows again. Peace. Peace. Good job, JNOG. You did great. Did really good. So much for the Friday happenings. Came into a falling star, and now we're breaking previous breaks, coming into previous lows. Thanks, JNOG. Big sells coming in. Everyone's jumping ship. It's probably just a head fake. I don't think the big boys want you hanging on. Rubbish. It is rubbish. So, are you still into EOS there, Jasper? I'm pretty satisfied so far. I've been buying it this whole time since way above. Not way above, maybe like in the 2 range. I think in the 2 range I started buying it. So I've been buying it all the way in. And now I'm coming back through where I started. So I'm very happy. Nice. Just keep buying it. I'm going to keep buying it too until it opens. And then I'll try to decide. That weekly chart is so, it's a V bottom now. I'm thinking so one of these days it's going to come back for a retrace, but that 60-minute chart looks like it's going to break out shortly. Got a double bottom, higher lows. 60-minute chart. $15. Oh, yeah, 15. It's hard to know what everyone's talking about. Is it per Bitcoin? Is it per USD? Is it per Ethereum? Oh, it's the daily chart that wants to break out. So I'm sorry. Not the 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart's doing its thing, but broke across the 20 mark, which was where I became positive, I believe. Came in, came over, came in. Watch for the previous high breaks. 26 and above. We can get a nice little jump out of this thing. Hopefully a larger jump than usual. I'm thinking all the way back up into the 6. And that's where I'll probably settle out and wait for the retrace. So I'm going to hold on to there. It's just a longer term hold. If it's going to be like Ethereum, everyone wants to be buying a chance to be on the EOS network, to establish their business on the network. I think I'm going to bet that EOS is going to be big. But if it gets to 6, I mean, I'm going to be a pretty satisfied customer. I'm going to have more money than I had all of the last time we had a bullish crypto market. So that's going to be pretty big for me. So when it gets here, I'm not going to sell out. I'm going to probably sell half and then let it ride, baby. Let it ride. But until then, I'm going to keep buying. So if, what do I got? I got this stupid black coin. It looks good. But it's slacking because Bitcoin keeps taking off. Black coin, that's it right there. I like the long-term J curve on it. I like those J curves. It's got a nice daily base. There's the previous low there. Got to stay above previous lows. And I got a previous break at 3.5. It's been touching it. It's been tapping it, gathering slates, tapping it, gathering slates. It's going to get ready. It's a nice daily chart. And the reason why I actually got in is because the over time I found support. It's just stupid Bitcoin keeps going, making new highs. So that's got to stop. Just kidding. So you see the resistance coming down through time. Price has crossed over the 8. So I'm thinking that it's going to pop. So any profits I get off of this, moral of the story is I'm going to throw a little bit into Zcash, mining, and EOS, and keep trading it. Anyways, it got dropped on its head here. Basing nicely, it could just fall off the map, especially if Bitcoin goes through the roof. Cryptos are going to have a hard time keeping up. But anyways. Yes, that's why I want to get into the mining. Earth shattering. I think EOS is a good bet. There's a lot of them. I'm convinced that the banker coin, what is it, STR, I'm convinced that's going to be a big one too. Banker, this is the one of the ones that we want to not give too much credence to, but if the bankers are on it and they got all the money, I'm going to see about this one and make some money off of them. And the other one is XRP. This one's not ready yet, but it's close. VTC, is VTC a decentralized banker coin? I didn't. It's hard to keep track which one's a big banker coin. Yeah, VTC on a monthly chart. It's coming down below on the daily, but the monthly chart, let it come back in if it has to, but the monthly chart looks great. Stay above support. Breaking that previous high on VTC, breaking that previous high was awesome. But long-term chart on that one, I mean, it's got to break into previous lows all the way up to, it's going to pump into the next previous lows. But nothing's going to happen until Bitcoin decides to settle out, which is, I don't know when that's going to be. I don't know. I want to get into the mining sector. You talking about Swift? A big company called Swift. It's where the Western banking companies settle out their accounts. It's an international exchange for checking and credit. The Swift system. Company, the XRP is in direct competition to the Swift. It's for the Swift system's for international settlements. It's a very big system. It's a Western banking system. China's creating their own Swift system, teaming up with the BRICS. I don't know, dollar's going to lose favor because they're putting too much restrictions on this new technology and no one's going to fall for it. They will try though. anyways, it's a good plan to try to take some money back from the bankers and trade those STR and XRP. Take it back. I don't see jack going on here. JNUG just disappoints day after day after day. The pump and the dump. Closing below previous. It's really disappointing, JNUG. It's a bullish retrace, but it's just, come on, you know, enough's enough. Everyone's out. Buy it back in, big boy banker. See if we can't hold another sided trend there. Here, you don't have to add the brackets. Just do spaces. Draw blockchain. Oh, that's okay. No, I got it. It's okay. Don't you owe me? You owe me money. Whatever. Got to tip your bartenders. CINGF. Of course, I don't get a good chart from Ameritrade. I'm going to create another. I'm going to create another portfolio. Call it. No, delete that. Got a new one right here. Let's delete that. Why is this down here? Let's delete that. Let's add a new. This MEDVED's awesome. MEDVED. Blockchain equities. Okay. So let me know if there's any other ones that come up. Do I have, yes, I do. GBTC, I need that GBTC in here. What is it? No. Which one is it? Oh my goodness. GBTC. Some kind of inverted Bitcoin mark. I don't know. I don't see the correlation yet. some kind of inverse of Bitcoin, but it's not adding up yet. I don't see the inverse of it at all. Maybe I'm wrong about the calculations here, but CAHC. CAHC. I don't see anything on that. Let me see what I can do here. Maybe because I got too much stuff on it. Is that right? CAHC? I don't have anything coming up for it. GAHC. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now we got our own little blockchain equities. Keep track of these bad boys because they're going to grow and grow, aren't they? Riot, look at that. Nice little pickup right there. Let me see if I can get a long term on it. What the hell is it? Riot. Yeah, look at that. Boom, boom time. That looks good. Watch for a previous high break on that one. I don't know anything about these bad boys, but if you believe the hype, you might want to jump in. Some of these stupid Ameritrade, man. If I had $1 million, I'd buy better feeds. I don't know where this one came from, but it looks like I charted it out already. BITCF. Excuse me. Must have came up on the miners scan. Pretty tight little cybersecurity. Crazy bastard. There is no such data. Riot looks good for a breakout. Could come back in to gather its legs, but it's got good volume. It's got a volume breakout. Just waiting for a previous high break. I mean, don't mind my unlevel charts. There's a double top to take out at 920. GDAX bouncing. Coming across the 34 finally. Look at the cross on JNUG. 2-bar reversal into the 34, back into the 34 for support. I got a little head fake now, but it's a good time to buy that break. Stay above previous highs here. This double top here over the 34. That'll confirm the little down pattern that we've had. Yes, that is true. There'll be a simple solution coming, I betcha. I betcha. If you think about it, all the security breaches are because of the manufacturers leaving little back doors for the NSA to come through and just destroy us all. So I don't think this blockchain is going to have that scenario. We'll have added protection from the get-go. No back doors. But yeah, I got hacked a couple weeks ago when I was looking for support from Pollinix. I found a Facebook page. I tried to contact them. I got contacted back and I almost got hacked. The two-factor authorization saved me. See, I don't have any offline wallets. I just do the trading part. I'm not concerned about owning these things. I'm looking to trade them. I want to trade. I'm a trader. I need more coffee. There ain't nothing going on. Watch this riot, though. If Jasper says it's coming from blockchain, the word of mouth on the street is it's going to break. The CFO and owner, he owns all of it. Biopetics, I don't even know. Diagnostics. Develops enhanced surface plasmon Renaissance technology platform. It looks like they need to redo their profile here. Rule of thumb. If you don't know what the hell they're talking about, it's probably not a good investment for you. Because I had no idea what they're telling me right here. This looks like a previous company diagnostic. Yeah, the services industry to this blockchain. Yes, that's going to be key. Those are the big winners. The people that are going to service this blockchain creativity. JNUG in is support again. Never-ending story with that one. Watch for the bullish piercing pattern on JNUG. See how it opened down? And it's going to close all the way in. Let's see if we can't get it above the 8 to show a nice, perfect bullish piercing pattern right off the 34. See how that worked? Pretty badass. Nice. Nicely done. Big boy bankers on the bid. You know how it's done. Two-bar reversal over the 34, back into support, and then the right shoulder sling back on the open on that 1 minute chart. Just very slight, but very sudden. Opened all the way down, closing all the way in, two-bar reversal. An outside day. Very nice. That's the bullish retrace. Classic. Watch for the previous breaks. Gonna have to cut it short. I've got a lot of work to do today. It is Monday. I wish you all luck. I don't see anything really going on. Keep an eye on those Head and Shoulders tops. Let's see how we ended the day here. Dow Jones increases its lead. It's that daily chart I'm watching. Okay, watch for the rejection when it gets up into 2340 or 23,462 at 8. Bullish piercing pattern. Right over the 34. Look at that. It's the move across the 34. I'm always touting, always mentioning. It's that high probability move. If I go to the craps table, I'm going for probability moves. I'm betting the 6 and the 8. And when there's no line, when there's no point, I'm betting the 7. 7, 6, 7, 8. The most probability on the table. So move across the 34, back into the 34 for a bullish retrace consolidation phase. I got a head fake work in here, but I get huge bullish piercing pattern. Hold 50% rule. It's not a bullish piercing pattern if it falls below 50%, but it's likely to come back and do a little tap, tap, tappy. Unless it falls off the map, that's a pretty drastic falling star there. Make sure we hold support. Don't be mad at me when you don't hold support and you hang on to it till the end of days. This is for trading, not for investing. I'm not an investor. Aside from EOS, but physical gold and silver is where your investment is. This is all speculation. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I gotta get to work. Jasper, you write dissertations. I can't read them all. I'm reading it. I'm just kidding. So yeah, keep us abreast on the new blockchains. Yes, the gold crypto would be awesome. I imagine one day, if we find a U.S. government blockchain coin, I imagine one day they're going to put the whole debt on this blockchain and then have a certain amount of coins that'll be able to print. And if we do that, I believe an amendment to the Constitution will have to be submitted for government to make sure they stay within budget. And the blockchain will make sure they do it. I think it's a good plan, but the bankers aren't going to go for it. The bankers own everything. The bankers are not going to let go of everything. But the more people we get woken up, I think the future is bright. We just have to be careful of all these power-hungry psychopaths, sociopaths. But I gotta go. Bitcoin's at a bottom. Stay above support. Take a ride. I'll see you.